สบายดี hello everybody สบายดีพี่น้อง long time I don't come to my channel right I went to Hawaii I got a new agent and I gonna use the new one. I love this color. This is my favorite color and that's my old one. I have a green one the first time I went to Kona and I bought that one, but this time I used purple. I love this color so much. You see it? You like it? I went to Maui and this time I got burned all over in my face and my arm and this area is burned all and it's okay. Today the first day I come back to my channel and I gonna make some spring roll and egg roll sauce again. I have the video already, but a lot of people ask me to again, and I gonna do the new video for this, and after that I gonna make a spring roll, the same video, okay? And I gonna show you step by step and follow Nali Kitchen. And I have a lot of video to post from the Hawaii, but I don't have chance to cut, and today I'm gonna do the egg roll sauce. I'm gonna show you step by step, okay? Follow me in Nali Kitchen if you wanna know how to make a sauce really easy and simple, okay? Do the big part today, and I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. It's really easy and simple. My spring roll and my egg roll sauce, I don't use the fish sauce, okay? Because I don't like the smell. I like only it's really simple for myself, but I love it and my kid love it too. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna smash the chili and garlic. Depend how you make small amount or lot amount, and I make like a lot, then I put a lot of chili, maybe 30 chili, but this one is 2 or 3 is super spicy already for whoever don't like spicy. But for me, every time I make papaya salad I put a 10 really spicy, but I love it, but this one maybe 30 chili and 4 cloves of garlic, 4 or 5 depend from you like, okay? And I gonna put in cook แล้วก็มาตำและ smash, okay? Smash like this. Use whole bag. This time I'm gonna make a lot for I'm gonna save for papaya salad. It's not the same like I use for spring roll, I use for egg roll, I use for papaya salad, everything in here. That's why I make a lot every time. I'm gonna pour the sugar to the pot, this big pot, and you have to have this stirred like this. Because I make a lot and almost all, I have a little bit left like this, Caramelize the sugar until golden brown. Medium heat and continue to stir back and forth until the sugar golden brown. If the sugar is change the color, turn out a little bit light brown, see, but you continue to saute, caramelize until golden brown, okay? The sugar it turn brown, you continue to stir, okay? Because you don't want the sugar is burned. Couple minutes, I'm gonna add some water. Add some water. I add 3 bottles first. Be careful. Some chili, garlic chili, okay? Add depend from yourself. You like spicy or less spicy, except to you, but I like a little bit spicy. I don't know how other people like it, but if you don't have this kind of chili, you add chili powder. If you don't like spicy at all, you don't have to add anything. Only garlic make it more flavor, you know. This is a teaspoon for me, and I'm gonna add some salt. I add like 3 teaspoons. I add some little bit MSG. 2 of these, 2 teaspoons, but it's not full like you see, small like this. And try to continue to boil this about 10 to 25 minutes, because you know why? Longer you boil and the sauce more thicker. But you don't like to make too thick, because I'm gonna use for papaya salad. If you like really thick, you add some cornstarch, okay? But next video I'm gonna try to show you how to add the cornstarch, you know. That one is for spring roll, egg roll only. You see it? You have continue to boil until the chilies cook and garlics cook. One thing I wanna tell you, if you don't like MSG, you don't have to use it, okay? You use chicken flavor. You go to Asian market and they have in the container like this is for soup only. And this kind I don't use for these, because they have a little bit oil in here. They have a more flavor. In the powder you can use for the sauce, it's more better, and I don't recommend for you to use it. I'm gonna use the vinegar, because I don't have lime or lemon. I have a couple of key lime, but you know, when I came back from Hawaii, I don't have time to go to store yet, you know. I just use the vinegar, but I don't use a lot. When I want to eat, I'm gonna add some lime in there and some vinegar. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this. Let me taste if need more. Oh my god, I sneezing for the chili. Really good. And scoop in half, because I gonna add more lime later on if I need more. But it have a lot of flavor in here. It's really good. Not just sweet, you know. Oop, oop, look at it. Not even melting yet. Look. Almost done. The sauce a little bit thicker. If you boil longer and the sauce more thicker, you know, and if you see the bubble come up, that means it's ready. See, the sauce is ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Wait until this sauce cool down, and you can put in the jar, okay? And put in the freezer or cooler, whatever you want. Add the sugar until golden brown, and you don't need to add any color. It's really nice color, original color. Alright guys, I turned off the heat already. I'm gonna show you one more time and I put in the jar, okay? And I'm gonna roast the peanut. I like to roast a peanut like this better than I bought in the jar, because this one more flavor. I think the peanut is done. I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna sweep. Done. See? Then after that, I'm gonna smash. Okay. I'm gonna smash half. See, it's done. Little bit thick. It's thick. See, this one is perfect already. I don't need to add anything. tastes so good. Look at that. I like a lot of peanut is better. It's more flavor. Peanut sauce. Oh my god, so good. Tastes so good. The tiny one is really easy to boil if you don't know how to do. It's really easy and quickly to boil. It's really tiny and thin. You see that. And the rice paper, I use this kind, the 3 lady. And shrimp. I cook the shrimp that I cut half. The Asian meat. I don't know how to call this pak it, like a cilantro. This one I gonna separate because my son, he like to eat maybe like this. He like only this one, but he don't like cilantro or this kind of herb, you know. But I gonna use for myself. This one I gonna do for my son. Alright guys, follow me. I gonna wrap the spring roll right now. Okay, the first thing, I'm gonna put the shrimp. Okay, and noodle. And this vegetable. I like to put a lot for my boy. I like them to eat so much vegetable. Okay. Shrimp, noodle. I don't know, I hope he like it, but everybody, that's all homemade spring roll and spring roll sauce. If you like my channel, please thumb up and subscribe for me. See you next video guys. Bye bye.